This is Kansai International Airport, one of the most ambitious offshore engineering projects ever built in Osaka Bay. Built to survive the fury of Osaka Bay, Kansai Airport stands against the sea itself. Millions of tons of reclaimed earth slowly transform the ocean's surface into a gigantic platform capable of supporting a modern international airport. Today, we go inside one of the greatest offshore engineering projects ever built. The Geological Survey became the first major step in understanding the unstable seabed beneath Osaka Bay. Advanced sonar systems begin revealing unstable layers of soft marine clay buried deep beneath the waters of Osaka Bay. Core samples reveal deep layers of soft marine clay incapable of supporting a massive airport structure. Engineers soon realized the artificial island would slowly sink under millions of tons of future infrastructure. To stabilize the seabed, engineers installed thousands of deep sand drains beneath the future airport island. The reinforcement system forced trapped water out of the unstable marine clay beneath Osaka Bay. As the soft seabed slowly compressed, the underground structure gradually became more capable of supporting massive infrastructure.
Check the pressure reading on the flange joint. It looks unstable. The schematic confirms the tolerance is low. Let's move to section 4.
Every reinforcement column had to be precisely positioned to maintain uniform settlement across the entire artificial island. Massive concrete caissons were carefully installed to create the first protective barrier against the powerful open sea surrounding Osaka Bay. Interlocking tetrapods absorbed destructive wave energy and protected the future airport island from constant coastal erosion and tidal impact. The expanding seawall gradually transformed a dangerous section of Osaka Bay into a controlled marine construction environment for large-scale engineering work. With the perimeter finally secured against the ocean, engineers could begin the enormous process of building the artificial island itself. Land reclamation began with the controlled discharge of millions of tons of sand and rock inside the protected seawall perimeter. massive offshore logistics fleet operated continuously, transporting fill material toward the center of Osaka Bay day and night.
スラリー圧力が上がっていますね。ポンプの回転数を調整してくださいの。はいね。これで安定しましたね。異常なしです。
Slowly, the seabed disappeared beneath expanding layers of reclaimed earth, rising above the surrounding ocean waters. Massive granite rock armor stabilizes the reclaimed slopes and protects the artificial island from erosion and settlement. This enormous engineering operation created the vast artificial landmass required to support Kansai Airport's future runways and infrastructure. Beneath the airport, an enormous network of hydraulic systems continuously compensates for the slow movement of the sinking island.
Look at the settlement data for this section.
High-precision laser sensors constantly track tiny shifts across the unstable marine clay beneath the terminal structure. By carefully adjusting massive steel support columns, engineers keep the entire airport platform level above the settling seabed. The transformation from reclaimed earth to permanent infrastructure begins with the construction of the terminal's structural platform.
Okay, bring it left slowly now. Fill that corner in.
Continuous pours of reinforced concrete connect the massive underground foundation systems into a unified structural base. This enormous engineered slab will soon support the future terminal complex rising above Osaka Bay. The terminal's massive aerodynamic roof structure slowly begins to rise above the artificial island platform in the middle of Osaka Bay. Inspired by the shape of a glider wing, the curved steel framework was carefully engineered to guide airflow efficiently across the enormous interior space.
Check the diagonal bracing detail on page 12.
Yes, it matches the upper canopy support exactly.
Thousands of structural steel components were welded, tensioned, and reinforced together to create a framework both rigid and flexible against environmental stress. Engineers and construction crews navigate the elevated steel framework while assembling the terminal structure high above the island platform below. The growing superstructure gradually transformed Kansai Airport from a raw construction site into a recognizable symbol of modern Japanese engineering. Construction now shifts toward the airfield, where massive paving systems begin forming Kansai Airport's enormous offshore runway network above Osaka Bay. Every section of runway asphalt is carefully laser measured to achieve the extreme flatness required for heavy commercial aircraft operations. As precision lighting systems and navigational runway markings are installed, the artificial island gradually begins to resemble a fully operational international airport.
But monitor the water pressure here. Roger that. The multi-layer system is holding up well.
Engineers complete the final structural stress tests before the offshore runway system enters its first operational validation phase. The Skygate Bridge became the critical transportation link connecting the offshore Kansai Airport Island directly to mainland Japan across Osaka Bay. This enormous double-deck bridge structure was engineered to support railway systems below and multi-lane highway traffic above simultaneously.
確かにメモしておきます。
As rail and road infrastructure merged into a single transportation corridor, the artificial island finally became fully connected to the outside
この
world.
拡張ゾーンとのデータを確認してください。
はい、センサーのくずくは問題取りませんね。使用書通りですね。
よしです。これで確認を完了しますが。
Kansai Airport was engineered to survive some of the most extreme environmental forces found anywhere in Japan. Massive floodgates and high-capacity drainage systems protect the offshore airport from powerful storms and record rainfall events.
Attention all units. Deploy the containment boom immediately. Secure the perimeter near the seawall.
Advanced seismic dampeners and flexible structural systems allow the artificial island to absorb and redistribute massive energy loads during earthquakes.
はい、ゆっくり下ろせ。下よろしいか。よし、それで。
Specialized protective coatings shield the airport's structural pillars from saltwater corrosion and powerful typhoon conditions. Internal systems across the airport begin activating as baggage handling and logistics networks enter operational testing. Inside the control tower, advanced radar and communication systems synchronize to manage heavy Pacific air traffic. Operational monitoring continues long after construction, as laser systems constantly track the island's gradual subsidence beneath the terminal. Every mechanical and digital subsystem is calibrated for precision, transforming the offshore structure into a fully operational airport. Japanese maintenance crews inspect structural joints and support systems every night to preserve long-term offshore stability. Through continuous GPS monitoring and active engineering intervention, Kansai Airport successfully survives on soft marine clay decade after decade.
Attention all passengers. Please do not leave your baggage unattended.
Built directly on sinking marine clay in the middle of Osaka Bay, Kansai International Airport became one of the most ambitious engineering projects ever attempted by humanity. From violent typhoon waves to constant ground subsidence, every section of this artificial island was designed to survive an endless battle against the forces of nature. Today, this floating megastructure stands as a permanent symbol of Japanese engineering, precision, resilience, and industrial imagination.
NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.